Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today I'll be announcing the winners to my 1.3k subscribers giveaway. And it seems that we've only got 4 contestants for this time, so everyone will come away with something. But let's see who gets to have first pick of what they want, and then basically second pick, third pick, and then who ends up with the last item. So we have Bob, Sion, Terry and Carl. So let's see how we go. So start off with this one, just because I've worked out who gets to go with who, and I figured I'd do it at best out of 3. So first up it is Bob versus Sion, and Bob will be in blue and Sion in red at the moment. So, and I know that ooh, that's a draw. That's a draw. Now, and yeah, I know some people don't like me doing a dice game, so I will be adding a timestamp for when you can just skip this and see who wins. So, draw to start with. That's another draw. I may start this again if I keep getting draws. Ah, there we go. Sion, you have won this one, so that is for red. So Sion, you're currently in the lead. Actually, I need to mark that one off. So Sion, you get 1 point. This is Terry, who's in blue. It's another draw. And Bob, who's in red. Out. There we go. So that is Terry for that one. So that'll be blue. And that is blue again. So that is definitely for Terry. So Terry, you get 1 point as well. This is determining who works out who's in first place and second place and all that lot. This is just working out who's winning how many points. Do that one again because that fell off. I just think these dice are a bit iffy, but that is enough draw. Everyone's drawing at the moment, don't they? That's Sion in blue this time, and Carl, you're in red. So. See, this never happens when I'm playing Monopoly. It's enough draw. There we go. So that is Carl this time. So that's red. So Carl, you've got 1 point. Alright, so this is definitely different things. That is a blue. Carl, you're currently coming out in the lead. Ah. Now we've got red. There you've got something there. But blue definitely takes this one. There we go. Blue this time. So Bob, you're wait, that's Carl. And that is blue. Red. Don't know what to do if there's a tiebreaker. I may just do one more roll and see who wins. But that's not a tiebreaker this time, that is a definite red. That is definitely a win for Carl, so you're definitely in first place, but I'm not sure anybody can beat you there. That would mean, Bob, you're in 4th place. So it's up for who's the second and third. That's a early thing for Scion, so there we go. That's definitely enough of red. But Terry, you did have a go at coming back, even though you wouldn't have done much. But yes, that is definitely for Scion. So Scion, you're in second place. And Terry, you're in third. So yes, pretty much it really. What happens when I've only got 4 people in for the contest? So if you'd like to contact me, all 4 of you, to let me know. Well, Carl, if you contact me first, and then let me know which of the 4 prizes you want, which is the Signal Box set, the Goods set, the coaching in, and the workshop. Let me know which one of them you want. Then I'll ask Scion what he wants out of the leftovers. Then Terry, you can pick out the final 2, and Bob, you will get the last one out of what is there. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Probably won't need to add the timestamp because it's only what 6.5 minutes since I started. But yeah, do all 4 of you do contact me, and yeah, probably on something like either Facebook, via my website, where you can just use the order form and just do it that way, just to make sure everyone's contact details are secure and all that lot. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. So thank you all again for participating. I will be doing another contest next time, which is 1,400. However, I'll probably think of something much more useful to give away. I probably will still do the buildings, but mostly as a consolation prize for next time. I'll probably do some 3D prints if anybody wants anything, which I'll do, because I have got many things coming out at some point. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. 1,500, I think I will do another loco giveaway, just because it's something a bit more interesting for that. Alright, that's it for me, and yeah, I hope everyone found this weird and silly. Also, I know some people don't like me doing the dice games, but it's a bit of fun, and we all need a bit of fun in our lives. So yes, that's it. Anyway, I'll see you all again next time. Take care now. Bye bye. Actually, I'll do that so you can definitely see the results. There we go. But yeah, take care now. Bye bye now.